Hey everybody, Lance from ThetaTraders.com here. This video I'm going to go over the buy side trades that I've been doing on SPY ATM. Had another win today and did really well in the month of July. I'll show the sample trade and the month results. Let's get right to it. Alright, so looking back on the month of July, for SPX Premium, those are with spreads, made $885 profit off a $10,000 account, 8.85% ROI in a month. SPY ATM alerts I've been using with a $10,000 account, and the profits was $11.30. I didn't quite get that much just because I was out on a cruise for a little over a week, but it still did really well, and I'll show you the results on mine. Combined is 2015 profit. So good results overall. If you look at the trade today, today was a 639 put. Comes in right at 9:30 Central or 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. Entry price 1.47. I actually got in a little under that, and the take profit was 1.76 with the stop loss at 0.88. Very easy to enter these trades. You just mark it in, and then you do a advanced order OCO where you do your limit price for 1.76 and the take profit at 0.88. If you look to my results so far today, I got in at 1.42, so a little bit under the alert price, and I got in 30 seconds after the alert. Then I did the OCO order, and it closed 12 minutes and 15 seconds later at 1.76. So very good results here, $34 per contract. I did 12 contracts, so that's about $400 gain in just 12 minutes. I've been tracking my own trades since May 27th with a $10,000 account, and currently I'm at $12,564. So it's 25.6% returns in about 2 months. You can see I've been tracking all the trades here. This was today's trade, 12 contracts, and got my entries in there. If you also look in your post-through profits, you'll see a lot of people that are doing really well on the trades. It's almost 70% win rate in 2 months. This guy in a smaller account making good money here, 1.39 to 1.64. This guy does the ATM and the SPX spreads, one on both of those. 1.36 to 2.4. Some members will let it ride a little bit and try to get additional gains in the OCO, which isn't needed necessarily because I'm up 25% in 2 months. Can't complain about that. Some people try to go for even more. And then on the SPY chat, we will talk about random stuff. I posted about a funded futures account, which some members are doing as well, using MES or ES futures, and have a chat for many like-minded individuals taking these trades. So if you have any questions, you could ask on the chat channels here. And it's been a really good result so far. So if you're interested in joining, there's a link in the description down below and on the comments and post. So look forward to seeing you guys on this Discord.